everyone, this is Manishka and you are watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. So welcome to my channel. So today I am here with this beautiful project using transfer me sheets from Dress My Craft. So hope you will be liking the tutorial of this. Here I have made this mobile cover without using any mixed media effect, because I just want to make sure you all that if you will use only these sheets, then also our project will be looking very beautiful. So hope you will be loving it. So let's move ahead. So for making a project we need to have all these things: newly launched transfer me sheet from Dress My Craft, any mobile cover or anything on which you want to transfer the sheets, tweezer, scissor and one bowl of water. So let's get started. So in last, for securing your images you need to have any varnish, or you can use this transparent nail paint, so which is easily available at everybody's home. So here I'm using this one. So before going further, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. So let's move to our tutorial. Here I'm taking this mobile cover on which I want to transfer the sheet. So for that, here I have already cut some motifs from the transfer sheet like that. So first what we have to do, first we have to just take this motif and we have to remove the upper layer or this transparent layer from this motif. You have to do it very carefully like that. Now we have to just take one bowl of water and we have to put this in this water like that. We have to just soak it for only 10 to 15 seconds. Now we have to just put it out like that, and we have to just put this where you want to transfer it. Like here I want to transfer it, so I am going to put it here like that. Now you have to take any sponge or any cotton cloth. Here I am taking this hanky for this. Now you have to tap the excess water from it and you have to just remove this paper like that. As you can see, isn't it looking pretty? It is magic, totally magic. Now just grab it very carefully. Just let it dry for some time. Now I want to add this butterfly on my base, so I just want to, so we have to follow the same procedure like that. Now we have to put this wherever you want to put. Like I want to put it here like that. Look how pretty is this. Now what you have to do, you have to varnish it. Here I'm using this nail paint for this, so make sure it is totally dried and then you have to use this. So I'm going to use this on it. So now we have completed all the varnishing part on our project. So now our project is ready. So let it dry completely. Now then you can use your project. So hope you liked our video. So if you are liking our videos, then please do subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon and give a like to our video if you liked it. So I have used only transfer sheet on it. I didn't use any mixed media on it, because I just want to make sure that only if we will use this sheet, then also it will give a beautiful effect to our projects. So hope you loved it. Keep watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.